I used to hate changing the filament in the Ender 3. Other printers seem to have much easier to load extruders than this one. Now, if you haven't already worked this trick that I'm about to show you out, then I'm going to make your filament change a lot easier. If you have figured this out already, then why are you watching this? Anyway, watch how quickly I can load the filament. Look, it doesn't even matter if the filament is bent. So long as it doesn't bend in the vertical axis, it still loads. So what's going on here? Well, most people's instinct is to open the jaws of the extruder as far as they can. In fact, the spring tension almost demands this of you. Doing this moves the filament guide pulley all the way out of the way, and you would think that this would give the filament the most clear path to get through and load up. If we look at the design of the extruder, at the other side of the pulley you have this inverse pointy shape, and this is intentional. Note that it's absent in the easy to load extruder, but it's intentional not just to make it harder for you to load the filament, it's actually there to try to inhibit flexible filaments from wrapping around the internals of the extruder when under extreme axial compression. Posh way of saying buckling. Now whether that works or not is an entirely different matter. Kind of doesn't, kind of does, but it does make the extruder harder to load. So what's the trick? Well, it's to let the filament guide rollers do the work for you. After all, they are perfectly aligned with the hole in the centre of the extruder's exit path, or at least they should be. I mean, you never know with creality's printers, but never mind that. So basically, you want to not open the jaws of the extruder any more than is absolutely necessary to allow free travel of the filament. So this will be about 1 millimetre at most, maybe less. Something like this. See, it's easy when you know how. It really is though. You don't have to trim the filament to a point or anything like that or try and straighten it. You know, it's just so much easier to get it loaded up. I've got a bonus tip as well for the end of the video. If you have Octoprint installed, which I highly recommend, just go to the Control tab for the printer, enter 400 into this box here and click Retract. Do not click Extrude. You could use this for unloading and loading, but you'd have to have some idea as to how long your PTFE Bowden tube is. I know mine's 350mm, so I can enter that in when I'm loading as well. Using Octoprint is a real time saver because you can heat up your nozzle and spit the filament out backwards before you actually bother leaving your seat. And the same for loading back up, you can do that completely automatically, and I have a feeling that this saves your extruder arm from premature wear as well, which is something that the Creality extruder seems to suffer from. Remember to issue a motors off command after you finish, although it's not 100% necessary if you plan to use the printer straight away. Turning the motors off is a good idea when you're not using the printer because obviously they're generating heat when they're on. Was this useful? Was this not useful? Leave a message in the comments. And if you like 3D printing tips and random ranting, then remember to subscribe. I will see you next time with something a bit more detailed. Thank you for watching.